A scammer no longer needs to be a hacker. He does not need to understand networks, write code, or break into a bank server. In the new age of artificial intelligence, he can simply rent the tools of cybercrime. For the price of a cheap subscription, a criminal can buy access to fake bank pages, fake delivery alerts, fake toll payment websites, and scam messages that look like they came from real companies. What used to require technical skill is becoming a product, a dashboard, a menu, a factory. This is the world of AI phishing, where fraud is no longer handmade by experts, it is mass-produced for anyone willing to pay. And one recent case showed how terrifyingly cheap that factory can be. $88 a week. Welcome to the Tech Brief. For years, phishing was simple. A fake email arrived in your inbox. It had bad grammar, strange formatting, and a suspicious link. It asked you to reset your password, confirm a payment, or claim a package. Many people still fell for it, but the scam often looked cheap. You could feel that something was wrong. The spelling was awkward, the logo was blurry, the message sounded unnatural. But artificial intelligence is changing that. AI can write clean messages in fluent English. It can adjust tone. It can create convincing explanations. It can imitate the language of banks, delivery companies, government agencies, and tech platforms. The scam no longer has to look amateur. It can look professional. The real danger is not that AI invented phishing. Phishing existed long before modern chatbots. The danger is scale. AI makes scams faster, cheaper, and easier to customize. One criminal can generate dozens of message variations. One fake campaign can be rewritten for different countries, different brands, and different victims. A scam text about a missed package can become a toll payment warning, then a bank alert, then a fake security notification. The basic trick remains the same: create fear, create urgency, and make the victim click before they think. But now, the machine can help produce that trick again and again. This is why phishing-as-a-service is so dangerous. The criminal does not build everything from scratch. He rents a kit. The kit provides the fake pages, the templates, the message flows, and the infrastructure. Some services operate through simple chat apps and bots. The buyer chooses a target brand, launches a fake page, and sends victims a link. To the victim, it looks like a familiar company. To the criminal, it is just another campaign. Cybercrime becomes plug and play. The $88 number matters because it shows how low the barrier has fallen. That is not the price of a military-grade hacking tool. It is not the price of a secret intelligence operation. It is the price of an ordinary weekly subscription. And that is the shocking part. When cybercrime becomes that cheap, the number of criminals who can participate grows. The threat stops being limited to skilled hackers. It spreads to low-level scammers who only need instructions, templates, and motivation. The victim usually sees something ordinary. Text message says a package cannot be delivered, a toll payment is overdue, a bank account has been locked, a reward is about to expire. The amount is often small, which makes the message feel believable. Nobody wants a penalty, nobody wants a locked account, nobody wants to miss a delivery. So the victim taps the link, the website opens, it looks real enough, the colors are familiar, the form is simple, the request feels routine. Name, card number, password, verification code. By the time the victim realizes something is wrong, the data is already gone. AI makes this more dangerous because it removes friction from the criminal side. It can help generate cleaner text, better layouts, more convincing pages, and more believable variations. It can help scammers test different wording and adapt quickly when one version stops working. The scam becomes less like a single fake email and more like an industrial process. Messages go out, data comes in, templates change, new domains appear, old pages disappear. The factory keeps moving. This is not just a problem for careless people.
Modern phishing attacks are designed to attack normal human behavior. They exploit speed, trust, routine, and pressure. If a message arrives while you are busy, tired, or distracted, the fake page does not need to be perfect. It only needs to be believable for the moment you're making the decision. That is the psychology of phishing. The scammer does not defeat your technology first. He defeats your attention. The consequences go far beyond one stolen card. A single fake page can collect passwords, bank details, phone numbers, addresses, and security codes. That information can be sold, reused, combined with other leaks, or used for more targeted attacks. A small click can become identity theft. A fake delivery message can become a drained account. A cheap phishing subscription can feed a much larger criminal economy. So, what can people do? The first defense is to slow down. Scammers create urgency because urgency kills judgment. Never trust a link in a message just because it looks familiar. Open the official app or type the website yourself. Don't enter payment details from a text link. Do not give verification codes to anyone. If a message claims your account is locked, check through the official website. If a payment demand feels urgent, stop and verify it another way. The goal is not to live in fear. The goal is to break the automatic reaction. AI phishing reveals a deeper shift in cybercrime. The internet made it easy to reach millions of people. AI is making it easier to manipulate them. The scam of the future may not look broken, misspelled, or suspicious. It may look clean. It may sound polite. It may use the right logo, the right tone, and the right emotional trigger. The factory does not need every person to fall for it. It only needs a small percentage of millions. Subscribe to the Tech Brief for more cinematic deep dives into the hidden technologies and decisions that shape our modern reality. Because the future will not only be built by machines, it will be shaped by the people who understand how those machines can be used. End of transmission.